Hi, I'm Bill Panoff with Cruise Control.
And I'm Sherry Griffiths with CruiseTipsTV, and we are here at Sea Trade 2018. Yes!
And we are loving it. I mean, Sherry, this is your first time to this crazy event.
Yeah.
Under this roof, we have all the executives and the cruise lines and the suppliers and the vendors. And tell me what the experience has been like so far.
It's been an amazing first experience, a little bit overwhelming. You don't know where to start. I think it's probably best described as a marathon.
Marathon.
So I know how to handle this next year. I think I've got a plan. I've met some amazing people, awesome networking, and of course, the porthole party.
There you go.
It was the best part of the week. So
you
it's
survived
been great.
it. You're standing.
I survived. I'm
That's
standing.
amazing.
I'm feeling great.
So we have Cruise Control and we have Cruise Tips. This is the first time we've actually come together.
Right, exactly.
So what can we call this? Cruise Tips and Cruise Control. Together it would be called...
I love it. Control Tips.
Control Tips. There you go. That's a great name.
I love it. Tell me about Cruise Control. I've certainly loved it. My favorite episode was your first one where you're talking about your background, and I think our subscribers would love all of your tips and your experiences and your humor and energy that you bring.
Talking about fuel, the type of fuel we consume is known as bunker sea oil. We consume 250 tons per day, almost 1,000 tons per week.
Do you have any tips for our audience? We have about 30,000 people who would love to hear a tip for a first-time cruiser from the expert, Bill himself. What do you think?
A tip for a first-time cruiser.
Yeah.
One thing I think that's really important is to research your ship before you actually step foot in. Because a lot of people take cruises and then realize after the cruise is over, oh, there was an alternative restaurant here, or they had an activity here, or there's a race course here on the ship. So really research what you're doing before you step foot on the ship.
You know, I love that not all of the ships that are coming out right now are huge necessarily.
Right.
I like mid-sized ships, so I'm kind of glad that we have some of those coming. But in general, what I look forward to the most about cruising is just that family time, unplugging, taking photos, vlogging our experiences for our audience, and unwinding. How about you?
Same here. I like the mid-sized ships as well, although I've been on them all. But I like the ship where there's like 200, 250 guests, you know, they're small, intimate, you know, not a lot of activities on board, just you can just relax with a book and just chill.
Yes, that's on my bucket list too, is one of those expedition type trips to Alaska where you're out on a Zodiac every day, you're up close to a waterfall, so that's something that we'd really love to experience as well.
I would like to do one of these cruises that actually goes to Africa. There are cruises that go to Cape Town, you know, I've always loved to go to Africa. My wife always wanted to see wild animals. I said, what about me? She said, well, she wants to see something other than a baboon, you know.
Did you just go on a safari? I thought I saw on your Instagram
I did. We did that. Yeah, we did it actually twice. Yeah, so have you done that before?
No, I haven't, but I'd love to. Maybe when my son gets a little bit older, we'll do that.
Yeah, that's a great experience.
Yeah.
Awesome. What is your favorite region to cruise in? Alaska, the Caribbean, the Mediterranean?
That's a tough one, isn't it? I really love Alaska every couple of years for that awe-inspiring experience. The Caribbean is amazing and wonderful, but we do love the good old Mexican Riviera because it's in our backyard and it's a good value and we don't have to fly. So I like them all. I can't pick a favorite, and I can't pick a favorite ship. How about you? What's your favorite destination?
My favorite destination is home. I love being at home because I'm traveling so much. I just love coming home and just being, you know, at home for it. But I'm always on the road. I'm always on a ship. I'm always traveling on and off new ships, on and off old ships, you know, just reviewing ships, much like you do.
Yes, exactly. What ship are you most excited about this year?
I'm very excited about the Norwegian Bliss, which is going to be the largest cruise ship in the Alaskan waters, and it's going to be amazing. And the whole of the ship was painted by that marine artist Wyland. He painted beautiful whales on the hull. It's just very spectacular.
It's spectacular. We're excited about that one too. We're actually sailing on Bliss in October to the Mexican Riviera.
Awesome.
So I'd love to get on an Alaska excursion up there, but I'm not sure yet. So exciting stuff. So what are you most excited about in 2018 that's non-cruising, other than being at home getting some rest?
Non-cruising. Well, one of my hobbies is playing chess. I'm an avid chess player.
Really?
Yeah. So I enjoy that, and I really enjoy the game. And you know, I belong to a chess club. So
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that about you.
Oh yeah, do you play chess?
Awesome. No, I don't.
Okay, yeah, no, chess.
I'm inspired now.
Chess is a great game. Bobby Fischer was my mentor.
Yeah.
You know, the very famous chess player Bobby Fischer. That's why Bobby Fischer never had any girlfriends. Because he took too long to make a move.
That was a good one. Well, hopefully I'll see you back in Miami next year.
I look forward to it, and hopefully we'll be able to do this again. This is a lot of fun, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure. Next time, bring the cards. I want a magic trick.
Happy cruising. Hi, I'm Bill Panoff with Cruise Tips TV.
No.
Oh, sorry.